Hello and welcome to Analog Techie. Today in this video we will see how to draw a circle in MATLAB without use of any special functions which is used to generate a circle. So first we need to identify the circle center, and then from there on we will find the radius of that circle. And if these two values we are having, we can just plot a circle, okay, by filling with red color. So by making this circle without any use of any function, how can we generate this circle? So let us see the code in MATLAB. So the code is, initially I have identified the center points, and the center point here given is value with a 2 comma 2. So if I take this is as an axis, so and this value is 2 comma 2, and with a radius r, here radius given is value of 1. So with a r radius I am going to just plot a circle like this. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis with a center 2 comma 2. So for that we need to take certain points like angle from 0 to 2 pi. So I have taken here value 0 to 2 pi with a difference of pi by 50. So this will give value of t all around these points, and from there on, according to center and radius, I have used cosine function and sine function together to make a circle. So for cosine function, I have used cos t. You can see the value of t can be obtained from 0 to 2 pi with a difference of pi by 50, and radius having 1, so I have used it radius into cos t. So this will give a value according to the value of t, and plus adding the center where we want to shift the center. If there is no center given, then it will generate the circle at origin. So you can see x center and y center value. This will determine the center point of the circle. So here we have taken x center and y center as 2 comma 2, and this will produce a center of a circle at a point 2 comma 2. And with the help of patch command, we have generated the filled form of the circle. So once I have generated it, I have filled it with the red color. So how this it is plotted in actual MATLAB, I will show you. And then there is a x equal command. I will show you the use of x equal command, how it is useful while plotting this circle. So if you plot this, I am just marking it 1 and this is as 2. So if you plot this value of x and y, it will give you something like cosine value. It will give you like this. And if we plot individually with y, that is of sine function, so it will be giving you like this. But when you combine both of them, it will give a circle. So this is the theory behind it, and now I'll be taking you on the MATLAB window where I will use the same command, and then with the help of this command we will run and we will generate the circle like this. So let us move on the MATLAB window. So here is a MATLAB window. Here I have used the same functions which I have shown you in the PPT. Before that, I am just commenting this x equal command, and then this function close all, clear all, and CLC I have used to close all the open files, and clear all command to clear all the variables available in the workspace, and CLC command to clear the screen of the command window. And after that, I have used x center and y center, which is the center of the circle with a radius 1, and t with a value of 0 to 2 pi, and value of x as radius into cos t plus the center value, as well as y with a center value having a sine function. So these two function is very important, and after that the function patch is used to fill the plotted circle with the value x and y with a colored red. So whatever color you want to fill it, you can just mention here, and I am just going to plot now. So go to editor and just run the program. So after running this program, you can see the center value is 2 comma 2, it will come here, and from 1 to this is 2 pi is value from 0 to 2 pi, and then you can see the center is 2 comma 2 and its radius having 1. So with the center 2, it will go a maximum of value 3. Okay, so it will goes to 3, and if we just increase the radius, suppose I increase the radius to 2, then it will reach up to 4. So you can see, if I run it again, you can see the value of x goes to 4, because the minimum center value is 2 and x maximum radius of 2, so 2 and 2 makes it 4, so maximum it can reach up to x axis and y axis to 4 and 4. So this is how we can plot a single circle with a patch function. Okay, and now what is the use of this x equal? You can see the circle is just it's looking like this expanded version. Okay, so you need to make it a perfect square, just use axis equal command. So if we just plot it if we just add this axis equal function, so if we just add it axis equal function, it will show you exactly the circle. So you can see exact value of the circle with a self adjusted value of minus 0.5 and plus 0.5 on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side. So this is the function of x equal, which is used to just make its shape exactly as it is available by managing the axes on the x-axis as well as if possible on the y-axis also. So it will automatically adjust to make it circle a perfect circle with a value whatever we have plotted here. Hopefully you all are able to understand this. Let us see how we can plot multiple circles or like a targeted sign with the help of these circle and other and different color values in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.